Top of the morning, Bay, with Good Morning Bay.
Get to know about the traffic on your way and what's news around the world today.
Some wisdom skills along the way.
Oh, and a song to hum along with and sway.
Get your perfect entertaining start to the day.
At 9 a.m. every weekday morning with
Mahima's
Good Morning Bay.
गुड मॉर्निंग बे आप सभी लोग हमारी तरफ से एक प्यार भरा नमस्ते नमस्कारा वनक्कम खुशामदीद अस्सलाम वालेकुम सत श्री अकाल मी कंदरी की वंदनमो जय स्वामी नारायण जय श्री कृष्णा जय जनेन्द्र एंड ऑफ कोर्स हमारे सारे इस्माइली भाई बदल बोलेंगे या अली मदद एंड मोलाली मदद बदजन हम आ गए हैं आपके प्यारे महिमा के द्वारे मैं सिर्फ फालतू बाबा थोड़ी देर में फालतू में शामिल हो जाएंगे बदजन लेकिन तब तक आपको बोल दूं कि आप सुन रहे हैं गुड मॉर्निंग बे ऑन द 113th day of our shelter in place Balajan. That's right, we almost have completed 113 days. That means we are coming to close to 1/3 of the entire year Balajan. देखो 365 days है तो 120 days तक तो आ जाएगा 1/3, right? So we're almost there, almost a week. We shelter more, we'll be like 1/3 of the year. Seems like as of the whole year is going to be a wash. I don't know what's going to happen. Let's see Balajan. But the thing is, हमें बुलंद रहना चाहिए. We have to be making sure that we all are staying together on this because we are together in this Balajan. In fact, it's not just our country, the whole world is in it on together. And of course, unfortunately, America is having a situation right now because we initially were leading in the space of, technology and science and everything. But unfortunately, realized that health-wise, we really are somewhere down there, Banajam. The cases of coronavirus is increasing tremendously in many parts of the country. In fact, we'll talk about that in the news updates for you guys coming up pretty soon. लेकिन एक और चीज़ है कि in terms of discovery of drugs for it or any kind of a vaccine, I think China is still in the lead over there. Let's see what happens. जब इसके बारे में और जानकारी मिलेगा आपको, stay tuned because today's show is all about that. Right? We give you information about what's happening locally, what's happening nationally, and also globally. So we are going local, but actually we are local, but we're going global kind of a thing. So इसके बारे में बात करेंगे आप लोगों को और जानकारी देंगे. And if you want to catch up in detail of whatever we share with you guys on air, you can go check it out on news blog mediamahima.com. And अभी के लिए Banjan, I do understand you guys are wondering, oh my God, I'm on the road. What's happening on the road? क्या होगा? And all those stuff, Banjan. Do not worry. हम हैं तो क्या गम में Banjan. तो here is your रास्ते का हाल that we give you totally सस्ते में.
It's time for the Bandu Traffic Update. Call us from wherever you are at 408-912-2479.
That's up, Banjan. If at all we missed out some kind of an update somewhere, don't worry about that. हम लोग ना, we actually will be welcoming you guys to give us a call and share with us what's happening on the roads. That you can do by giving us a call on 408-912-2479 4089122247 फिलहाल रास्ते पे क्या हो रहा है? Well, Banjan, I see that all the freeways are having the same COVID shelter in place effect. As in अभी तो खाली है, मतलब खाली मतलब the traffic is moving. Not much of congestion to be reported except some places near the bridges where there's people are trying to get on top of it, all those things. Or for the matter, some people actually who are, let's say, getting on to freeway or getting off freeway. Like the Battle Bridge के पास always कुछ ना कुछ तो रहता है वहाँ पे थोड़ा congestion. And inner roads में थोड़ा congestion है. Otherwise, freeway all looking pretty much smooth. Incident report, let me tell you, a delay on 680 because of a particular incident over there on Mission Boulevard is slowing all the lanes. Watch out and drive very carefully over there. Apart from that, I don't see any other incidents report for you guys. That's good news because seems like everybody is traveling and happily and all. So Tracy ki taraf, there's actually a little bit of an incident over there because of high winds. So watch out for those things. It could also affect traffic if at all there's an accident in that region. So be careful. That is one freeway which always I think why there's no other bypass lane for it. That always has been a concern for Banjan. Lekin abhi ke let's tell you what's going to happen. Abhi I'm going to go into a Gaane Ka Keeda for you guys. The Gaane Ka Keeda is going to be something which I'm bringing you from the past. It's not a very old movie, but a very nice movie. If you haven't seen it, see it for sure. It's called Iqbal. उसमें एक super duper गाना है. It's called Ashiana, and the voices of KK and Salim Merchant. I think the music also is by Salim Merchant, if I'm not mistaken. मैं भी आपको confirm करूँगा Banjan. And yes, the Salim Suleiman music composition composition है and lyrics by Irfan Siddiq. We are gonna play the song, listen to the song, enjoy it, and इसका पूरा लुत्फ उठाएगा बंदूजान. And yes, this is your Good Morning Bay. I will give you more information coming up right now in just a few minutes. लेकिन अभी के लिए ये है आपका गाने का कीड़ा.
कुछ पाने की हो आस आस, कोई अरमा हो जो खास खास आशाएं, हर कोशिश में हो बार बार, करे दरियाओं को आर पार आशाएं, तूफानों को चीर के मंजिलों को छीन ले आशाएं, ले दिल की उम्मीदें हंसे दिल की, अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी, नहीं कुछ भी, आशाएं ले दिल की उम्मीदें हंसे दिल की, अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी, नहीं कुछ भी. उड़ जाए लेके खुशी अपने संग तुझको वहाँ, जन्नत से मुलाकात हो, पूरी हो तेरी हर दुआ, आशाएं ले दिल की उम्मीदें हंसे दिल की, अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी, नहीं कुछ भी, आशाएं ले दिल की उम्मीदें हंसे दिल की, अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी, नहीं कुछ भी. गुजरे ऐसी हर रात रात, हो ख्वाहिशों से बात बात आशाएं, लेकर सूरज से आग आग, गाए जा अपना राग राग आशाएं, कुछ ऐसा करके दिखा खुद खुश हो जाए खुदा, आशाएं ले दिल की उम्मीदें हंसे दिल की, अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी, नहीं कुछ भी, आशाएं ले दिल की उम्मीदें हंसे दिल की, अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी, नहीं कुछ भी.
And that was a Gane Akira for you guys, but Jan, which you guys can actually listen to again if possible. Before I leave the studio, I will be playing that for you guys, Banjan. And yes, do download an app which is called Radio D Hotties, available for free download on iOS and also on the Android platform. And आपको मालूम है ना, after the Gane Akira, what follows? Well, actually, what follows is the news updates for you guys, Banjan. So let's चलते हैं news updates की तरफ. And आज, of course, Banjan, if you want to catch up the news in detail, go to our news blog, mediamahima.com. Once again, that's mediamahima.com. So, Banjan, this is the headlines which are coming up for today. Suniga, and we'll give you the news in detail in just a few. Well, Bajan, first headline, of course, the fact that China actually is, the concerns about China censorship is growing right now because they have censored schools to remove any material which actually talks ill of the new security laws they have there, Bajan. And of course, at wartime speed, China is also leading the COVID-19 vaccine race. We'll get more information on that in a few. The US government has awarded Novavax $1.6 billion for bolstering tests for the coronavirus vaccine. Just in the Brazil president Bolsonaro has tested positive for coronavirus as per his statement to a television network in Brazil. Interestingly, our President Trump's niece, Mary Trump, levels a scathing criticism of the president in her new book, which is obtained by, of course, CNN. You can go get more information on that on the news blog, mediamahima.com. And of course, Jeffrey Epstein is one topic which is being talked about much on our show. Also, we talked about it and all those things. Now, Deutsche Bank is supposed to pay $150 million fine, and they're saying that making Jeffrey Epstein a client was a mistake. Now, but then all this right now, headlines coming up and more. In fact, there's more news you can catch everywhere, but what we give you is something which you can definitely keep in track of while you are in the busy day. And इस न्यूज़ और जानकारी के बारे में और थोड़ा देने के लिए हमारी फालतू probably हमें join हो जाएगी. But of course, doesn't matter. What we will do probably is go into the news updates for you guys, Banjam, because the news which we share on air is a brief. And if you want to catch up in detail, of course, you can go read up our news blog, mediamahima.com. And right now, Banjam, quick look at the news. As I told you, the vaccine wars are going on right now. And I would say, as pretty much, China was actually initially considered to be somebody lagging behind the research of the vaccine for the virus, is forging ahead and has developed not one but two vaccines actually. This is the second one that she launched actually is with Sinovac Biotech, experimental vaccine set to become the country's second and the world's third to enter final stage testing later this month. So vaccine is somewhere around the corner, so don't worry about the budget. So let's just pray and think positive about it. As I mentioned, China was not expected to be doing this, but where the new coronavirus is thought to have originated in China has brought the state, military, and private sectors together in a quest to combat a disease that has killed over 500,000 people worldwide. Many other countries, including the United States, are coordinating closely with private sectors to try to win the vaccine development race, and China faces many challenges in this case. Now, how is the US doing this? In fact, Banujan, as you know, I shared the headlines for you guys. The US government actually is awarding Novavax $1.6 billion for a coronavirus vaccine. For the manufacturing of potential vaccine for the novel coronavirus in the United States with the aim to deliver 100 million doses by January. That's why they're trying to speed up the whole process. They were announced by the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services in the biggest yet from the Operation Warp Speed. And the White House initiative aimed at accelerating access to vaccines and treatments to fight COVID-19, the respiratory disease caused by coronavirus. Of course, the result of this was shares of Gettysburg, Maryland-based Novavax rose by almost 29%. That's Banjan is now at around trading at around 102 in the morning trading actually. This particular, the cost of running this large phase 3 trial, the final stage of human testing is going to be high, and that's why the government has awarded $1.6 billion for them. And let's welcome Faltu into the studio. Hi Faltu, how are you doing? Very good, very good. Good news coming up on different aspects of it. In fact, Barajan, the race for vaccine is going on. People are really working hard. Even the government is trying to back these stuff, Barajan. That's what I want to tell you. Another sad news, of course, the president of Brazil, his name is, I hope I'm pronouncing it right. Bolsonaro. What's his first name? Jair Bolsonaro or Jair Bolsonaro?
I don't know.
Well, he proclaimed that he actually has been tested positive for the coronavirus. He said the television interview on Tuesday, actually yesterday, this morning.
Yeah.
And Banja, coronavirus cases are on the rise. It actually is a sad thing right now. In fact, over here, many parts of US also as reporting the coronavirus as being a big thing actually. In fact, there is also I think it's rising so fast that I believe contact tracing is no longer possible in some states.
Wow.
Yes, it's going really big that way, and of course the reason behind that is because infections numbers never dropped to where officials hoped they would.
Wow.
Right, so nation's top infectious disease expert Dr. Anthony Fauci said that the rapid rise is considered a surge, it's believed, not a second wave. So in other words, he still says second wave is yet to come.
Wow.
It's just a surge. Dr. Fauci also said that in fact, Texas, at least 1,300 people have tested positive from childcare facilities alone. Just from childcare facilities alone. National case counts hit new records daily. At least 24 states have paused or rolled back reopening plans. Florida's Miami-Dade County decided it has done. It was done playing with the state's rules and moved to shut down restaurants again. And Atlanta's mayor says she tested positive also, by the way. I hope you got the news, right?
Yeah.
Well, actually, the death toll, of course, has gone up. In fact, of the 500,000 people around the world who are being affected by coronavirus, I think US alone has got close to 130,000.
Right.
That's
Exactly.
a huge number.
Yeah.
And of course, Banjan, in these times of all these kind of, the testing times of coronavirus and everything, right? Our president has not given up campaigning on his trail. Did you read about the recent thing, Faltoni, where he actually has gone on a trail of actually, again, using the same hate rhetoric he used long time ago?
Yes, I actually did, Alto Baba. And also, another thing that he is doing, and this particular president is... did you see his tweet yesterday? Schools must reopen in the fall. So what he's doing is for international students and all our bandus, many of our bandus have are international students as well. One of the things that President Trump is getting his administration to do is to enforce that international students, right? You have to be on campus. He's saying, if they don't come on campus and if they are going to study online, they need to go back to their countries.
Wow.
So he's insisting with no care or regard for the safety and the protection of these students. He's insisting that schools should reopen in the fall.
Well, here's one more thing disturbing. He actually recently condemned the NASCAR's decision to ban the Confederate flag. And he called to preserve statues of Confederate generals who took up arms against the U.S., I believe.
Yeah.
And also he says among the other claims that American history is under attack. So it's really disturbing the way his rhetoric. I think he's trying to talk to his base, who I think are a majority of people in rural America, I suppose. Rural America.
Yeah, in fact, I think this president is making race a very big factor, Panajan. For those of you who haven't been following this or who don't really understand the magnitude of what he's saying, he is running his campaign based as calling himself, almost touting himself as the last Confederate candidate. So this is something that we really need to be concerned about because...
we have to be concerned about Banjan. Please make a note of this. In fact, hate rhetoric is very bad already.
Yeah.
And, thinking about hate rhetoric and everything, Banjan, what's happening in India and China, Indochina, the conflicts over there, many sanctions were applied by India on China. And guess what the result has been?
It's actually, as the latest news that I have is that Indian Air Force is conducting, very heavy military ops at night, apparently.
I'm sure, but actually repercussions of diplomatic channel which India is using.
Yeah.
TikTok actually announced that they would leave Hong Kong.
What?
Yes, it has been met with fierce resistance in some parts of the city, I suppose.
Yeah.
And then in the lights of that event, so TikTok is going to leave Hong Kong, is what they're saying. US is considering banning Chinese social media as well, including TikTok.
Yeah,
US is thinking about that as tensions between Washington and Beijing also grow.
Yeah.
One thing good, of course, the US actually is kind of support India as an ally. They already positioned the troops very close by to support India in case something happens in that particular region.
Exactly. And there is a sign, Alto Baba, right now in the first signs of de-escalation. Chinese tents, the Chinese army has started removing tents and started to withdraw their troops from the Galvan Valley.
Oh, okay.
As decided during the high-level talks. And of course, but there's one concern that Chinese central bank is buying stakes in Indian companies.
Oh, okay.
If you want to get more information about that, you need to go to mediamahima.com. That's all we have time for on this morning's Good Morning Babe and the Jen. We'll be back tonight live at 5 on the Pam Pam Show. Till then, have yourself a terrific Tuesday.
तूफानों को चिर के मंजिल